As noted in Human Resource Development Ministry's report of 2019, engineering and technology is the fourth major stream in India with over 3.8 million students enrolled in various institutes. India reportedly has 662 rural and urban engineering colleges and 1,172 polytechnics, having combined student strength of over 350,000. Make in India mission was conceptualized to reap the demographic dividend of this predominantly young population. However, the quality of engineering education plays a spoil sport. 80% of Indian engineers are unemployable for any job, according to a survey conducted in 2019 by Aspiring Minds. This may be because the faculty are unable to link the learning in the classroom to the realities of the industry. Now, the question is, what is needed? The engineering students need inputs that are relevant to the industry where they seek employment and focused on developing knowledge and skill rather than just a download of knowledge. Also, SMEs needs engineers who are ready to fit into their shop floors and skilled in the application of flow concepts. Here comes the importance of VLCI. VLCI bridges the gap between what industry needs and what engineering colleges and students expect. VLCI has been scaling up over the years. There are 6 modules. Module 1 covers observation skills. Module 2 helps the students to understand processes and functions. Module 3 focuses on application of teamwork principles. Module 4 helps the students to appreciate basics of flow. Module 5 helps the students to deep dive into flow principles. Module 6 helps the students to understand the basics of leadership skills in a factory environment. In the coming years, we plan to develop faculty training and certification programs which would certify the faculty as consultants to improve their industry interactions. The student input sessions would be followed by internship with Japanese industries and Indian industries with Japanese practices. The result of all these interventions would be to make the students Japan ready through language exposure, real life projects in industries.
Change, and it is a top driven concept. It eliminates a lot of management jargon, and all the tools used in VLCI are very easy and very practical and easy to implement. I was able to transform my company from a loss-making company to a profitable and growing company by using all the principles taught in VLCI program.
KLS GIT was one of the first institutes in India to join the VLCI movement in 2016 by deputing 8 of the faculty to undergo 1-year-long training along with the industry persons. We were lucky to have the mentorship of Professor Shoji Shiba, Furuhashi, Sahideep Ratnam sir and CS Patel sir, along with many of the industry who groomed us to realize the industry need and taught us the various tools of VLFM.
VLCI students not only learned but also practiced various flow management concepts like 3S map, VMAP, Big F, internal and external supplier customer relationship, importance of FG store, etc.
VLCI, Visionary Learning Community of India, a program jointly with JICA, Japan International Cooperation Agency, is running in Shunli University starting from 2018. This is a case of industry-academia partnership, by which the students are taught to understand the problems of the industry and to diagnose the treatment for that. As a consequence of which, special modules have been added in their curricula, and the students have been successful in the first batch. All the 42 students got the job.
I am Akshay Kumar Raikar, presently working in Crentus Technosul Private Limited as a design engineer for hydrostatic test tank and SPM products. VLCI is a modern, industry-oriented course conducted by KLS JIT in collaboration with JICA and Crentus. VLCI is the only course which minimizes the gap between academia and industry.
Myself Ravi Budhia. I am working as a mechanical design engineer in Crentus Automation Solutions. Coming to my academics, I completed my Bachelor of Engineering in KLS JIT. I felt lucky for being part of VLCI during college days because this course has given me a lot of confidence to work in industry by bridging the gap between industry and academia.